What's up, everybody? It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. As you see, pretty badass day, right? Beautiful cars, amazing people. I haven't had my coffee yet. So we're cool. Cheers to you guys. So, this car is supposed to be the star of this whole show. We did the clear bra on this one. We did the ceramic coating on that one. Look how shiny it is. Spotless. Love it. Is in the house.
Hey, hey!
How are you, baby? Lamborghini Festival is coming up this year. In October, of course. Of course, she's gonna announce her and Belle when it'll be. Stay tuned for more information about Lamborghini Festival.
2022.
Badass.
Imperial TV, we're rocking house over here. Let's go.
The man, the legend. How are you?
Good, man. He's looking better than me, right? Audience, what do you think? Is he better?
Hey, put the glasses on.
Oh, let me try. Let me see.
Now he's Miami vibing right now.
Miami vibe.
Damn. Look at this guy right here. Looking good.